like it's winter, but like it's summer.
Take it off, take it off, take it off. Fister fuel. Do you want a macaron? I have two.
Okay.
I have a pistachio and a chocolate. Which one do you want?
Which one do you want?
I don't mind either.
Maybe pistachio?
Okay. Refueling after our Fister fuel. Chicken platter. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Dinner by Mama. So perky. Not 5 minutes ago though. Let's pack our picnic basket. Trusty Trader Joe's bag, which honestly fits so much. I made some egg sandwiches and nachos, carrots and hummus. Pack some of the essentials like a fan and wet wipe. And also some sunscreen. Drinks wise, I have Sandhell, Milkis, and also sparkling water. So I cut up my kitchen towels into smaller pieces so I don't waste it. And I'm wearing a purple dress. It is from Sweaty Betty, and my new Tomorrowland cap actually matches so well. So let's go! Wow, look at the sea. Look at what came in the mail today! So it's my 30th birthday today, and Ian and I have just been pretty rammed with lots of social events. So we decided to do a really quiet celebration this year. He's in the office right now, but a flower delivery just came and I can't wait to unbox it, because getting flowers on your birthday is just so nice. So this is the bouquet, and there's also a little card here. The colors are so beautiful. Let's put these in a vase. I love it. We are going to be heading to a pub called The Pineapple for some Thai food. I heard about it quite a while ago, but we've never actually made the trip there. So I'm really excited. It's just me and Ian, but we're gonna eat lots because I'm really hungry. I'll see you guys there. What are the odds on the 8th of August?
Oh yeah.
We have table number 8. Well, order number 8. Duck curry, drunken fried rice with pork, tom yum soup, and green curry. Oh, this looks pretty legit. Delicious, and the portions are really generous for the price too. I think the only thing is we probably should have ordered the noodles instead of the rice for the drunken, because it's quite clumpy like that, but I think that's quite normal. But everything tastes so good. Definitely approved. I really like the curries. I think we should have got the drunken noodles instead of the drunken rice. I think it was around 12 pounds for the duck curry, and then 11-ish pounds for the green curry, and then like 9 for the fried rice, and then about 6 for the tom yum.
But the curry came with rice, that's why it was a little bit more expensive.
Yeah, but that's actually good because a lot of places in London only give you curry for like 9 pounds and no rice. So that was like 40 pounds, which is really cheap, and it tasted really good. Also, there's no MSG in the food, which is what they say. So it's quite surprising that it was so delicious. I think hygiene-wise though, the pub is a little dirty.
I think that's just the normal British pub.
Yeah, but I think it's the very neighborhood pub style place. It was so full. We literally are there on a Thursday at like 7 and it's packed. Like when we left at around like 8-ish, there was like no seats left, but that was a very successful meal. Thank you, babes. This is my cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
This is a pistachio mochi and a chocolate brownie. May all my wishes come true. And yours too. And ice cream mochi. It goes so well with the brownie. My friend got me some flowers for my birthday. It's perfect because the bouquet that Ian got me was on its last legs, so at least this way I have a fresh set. And it really does so much in terms of making the house feel super summery. I can't believe this milestone has hit 30. This year has been incredible. Honestly, it does feel like I'm a little less mature than I should be. It feels very cliche to say that I haven't figured it out, but honestly, I just want myself to put in a little bit more effort. Right now, I think I keep finding distractions here and there and keep putting it off and like just not answering the question. But I really do hope that by the time I'm watching this, whether it's next year or in 5 years' time, I would be on somewhat of a clearer path towards being a little more independent financially. This is just a reminder to myself that you would not be where you are now without the people that you love and the people who've been with you throughout your journey. I'm pretty excited for this next chapter in my life. And I just want to tell you, future Lauren, that you have to keep going. When times are tough, just look back on all the great memories that you have. If anything seems difficult, it's because difficult things are worth it. And yeah, happy 30th, Lauren. I hope you have an amazing few years ahead and you're healthy, happy, and just enjoy your life.